Hello! It is 2:21 a.m. I can't sleep and I was being really productive and needed a break from being productive. And so I decided to record a cover mashup of Jason Mraz's I'm Yours and Ed Sheeran's Little Bird. Well, you dumped on me and you bet I felt it. I tried to be chill, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks. Now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool down ran out, I'll be giving it my best. Just so nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. Reckon it's again my turn to win some more, learn some, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait, I'm yours. But if I kiss you, will your mouth read this truth? Darling, how I missed you. Strawberries taste how lips do, and it's not complete yet. Mustn't get our feet wet, cause that leads to regret. Diving in too soon, and I owe it all to you. So I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to complicate. Our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours. Don't you wanna come on? Scooch on over closer, dear, and I will nibble your ear. Zabba-dum-ba-dum-ba-boom. Whoa, 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 But if I kiss you, will your mouth read this truth? Darling, how I missed you. Strawberries taste how lips do, and it's not complete yet. Mustn't get our feet wet, cause that leads to regret. Diving in too soon, and of all these things I'm sure of, I'm not quite certain of your love. I've been spending way too long shaking my tongue in the mirror, I'm bending over backwards just to try and see you clearer, but my breath fogged up the glass, so I drew it in face and I laughed. Guess what I was saying is there ain't no better reason to rid yourself of vanities and just go with the season. It's what we aim to do. Our name is our virtue. Oh, I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to complicate. Our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours. Well, open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and then you're free. Look into your heart and you'll find the sky is yours. So please don't, please don't, please don't. There's no need to complicate, cause our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours. But if I kiss you, will your mouth read this truth? Darling, how I miss you. Strawberries taste how lips do, and it's not complete yet. Mustn't get our feet wet, cause that leads to regret. Diving in too soon. I'm yours. Zabba-dabba-dum-bum. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm yours. Da-da-da-da. Baby, you believe I'm yours. You best believe, you best believe, you best has to leave. I'm yours. Thank you very much.